Ready to unleash your creative potential without breaking the bank? Let's dive into the world of Adobe Creative Cloud free trials, and I'll guide you through how to unlock these powerful tools without spending a dime. And let me stress, safely and legally. The key lies in strategic planning. Step 1. Head over to Adobe's official website, find the Creative Cloud section, and look for the product you're most interested in: Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Illustrator, etc. Then just select one of the apps and you will see the option to start a free trial. Step 2. Click that shiny Start Free Trial button. Adobe will prompt you to create an Adobe account if you don't have one already. This is simple, just follow the sign-up process, providing your email address, and creating a password. Step 3. Be prepared to enter your payment information. Adobe requires this to verify your identity and prevent abuse of the free trial system. However, you won't be charged initially. There is usually a 7-day free trial available. Keep this in mind and set a calendar reminder. Step 4. Download and install the software. Once the trial begins, download the specific app or apps that you've chosen. This will download the software and let you finally get your hands dirty. Step 5. Explore and create. Now, the fun begins. Make the most of your free trial period. If you don't want to pay, cancel your trial before it ends to avoid charges. If you do like it, make sure you subscribe to the Adobe program. Remember to always use legal and ethical methods, and that is essentially all there is to it. Now go create and start your journey using the amazing Adobe Creative Cloud without the initial costs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.